Hello everyone, welcome back to the Blank Off. Today we're going to look at our living room setup. We have a Toshiba SDV296. We used to have a Lite-On LVC 9006. The DVD recorder no longer works anymore. Fortunately, it seems to be almost impossible to find these things these days. One with the DVD recorder, so I just replaced it and my mom absolutely loves it. So here's the PlayStation 3. It only plays DVDs and CDs now. The Blu-ray functionality is long gone. Stopped working over 2 years ago. Stopped working, I guess. Yeah, 2 years ago. It just quit. So, and then for a TV, my parents bought this in 2009. It's a Samsung. I don't know about that number, if that's even still available, but that's from 2000, and they had a problem with it when they first bought it, so that was from 2009, and Series 6, 650. It says on the back of it saying it was manufactured in 2009 of February, so this is what it looks like. So, that's the living room. 2022 December edition. Oh yeah. Buy something else, this VCR combo. First remote control quit working. So, one day I found it at the end of the coffee table without the batteries in it, and I tried to put batteries in it, I couldn't get it to work anymore. So my brother smashed it. He smashed it into pieces. However, it looks like it's still together, but when you shake it, you can hear like little things moving around inside. Went to some remote shop or some kind of television shop, and I found this one. Same damn thing. For a lot less money, for $5. On eBay and online, they got this exact same remote control, and they want like a ton of money for it. It's ridiculous. They want like $25, $50 for it, and I'm like, I don't got that kind of money, so I found one. I was lucky. However, after I bought that one, sure enough, a few months later, the VCR started going. So, as always, thanks for watching. And then we also have, no, this is extra, I shouldn't be showing you guys this, but this is our GE. You can see back there, it's got like the little GE emblem, but this is a GE surge protector. So, these are just old computer cables that we're saving a battery. Yeah. And, well, speaking of this, I should say this combo unit here, I got this one from our school district was getting rid of them. Believe it or not, they were getting rid of all their VHSs. They happened to be giving these away for free. I thought it was kind of odd. You know, they could sell them for $100 and make a profit and try to stay, you know, profitable. But when I got this one, it came with this, and I was like, I looked at the remote control online, the one that originally came with this one, and it looked nothing like that. And I looked around on Amazon, and the cheapest one I could find was like $11.99, and I'm like, I don't know, I guess I'll just use what we got. However, they had a bunch of them, though. So, yeah.